National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, northern Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Woodbury, moving east-southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morrison, Centertown, Bradyville, Beechgrove, and Summitville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 91 and 97. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in Middle Tennessee, Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, Franklin County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shelbyville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winchester, Fayetteville, Lynchburg, Deckard, Estill Springs, Cowan, Huntland, Petersburg, Timms Ford Lake, and Salami. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lincoln, Tennessee.
A civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties or areas: Plymouth, Oregon, at 1:18 p.m. on July 29, 2024, effective until 1:18 p.m. July 30, 2024. Plymouth County Sheriff Wildfire Level 1, be ready to evacuate. Crescent Lake Junction, Odell Lake,